Hey guys, got some more stuff on the curb today, mostly scrap. Got a aluminum 20-inch Audi wheel there, a lawn drag. That clock's pretty neat up there. Just a table, a bunch of chairs. This, I think there's something in it. I didn't look in it yet. Figured I'd leave it a surprise. Let's see what's. Oh yeah, not much. Junk. Bunch more copper wire. Some fan blades there. These are aluminum. Just more scrap. Got a couple more golf or bowling balls. Got some sheets of steel there. Probably use them for something. Some Tundra mud flat or floor mats. Got a buddy's got a Tundra. You might want them. Some more tools. I got another impact driver. This one's a little nicer than the one from yesterday. I guess couple hose pieces, hammer, gardening tools, yes. Plow pieces, scrap, yep, little hoe head there. Got a tackle box. It's got some stuff in it. Mostly junkety goodies. That doesn't come out. Yuck. Yep, that's gonna go in the garbage. Got a Harley Davidson gas tank. It's all scratched up. Got a couple dinks. Got a scraper. They got their money's worth out of that one. Whole bunch of bed frames. They're piled up. There's probably 15 of them there. There's 12 camshafts. They're all rusty. I don't know why. That's the only thing that was at the place was 12 camshafts. Weird. A couple of gas cans here. They look new. This one's pretty neat. It's a safety can. Got a little in there yet. A couple of tools. A headache rack for a pickup. Another one of these. Jeepers Creepers. Or Jeeper Creeper. It's pretty neat. A couple of sump pumps. They work. I plugged them in for a couple seconds. They work good. Gas tank. Got these pumps. Little water pumps. Paddle pump. And I got a big towel, or a rug. Put that in the shop. What else? Got a little picker-upper thing there. It's all scrap. Ice auger. Pretty sharp yet. Might use that this year. Yeah, pretty much scrap. Oh, I guess there was a... This is kind of neat. It's a really old fishing reel and rod. It's a metal right here. I don't know. Can't read it. Some more tackle here. Ooh. I guess I didn't see that. I just saw the tackle box and I grabbed it. I guess I got more reels again. What are these? Abu Garcia. This one's a Rowdy Rod. That was a cheap one, I bet. Oh yeah, Celsius. Yeah, that's a cheap one. Shakespeare. Pretty nice. Here's an older one. Johnson Century. Pretty neat. Another little tackle box here. It's empty. Got a couple of jigs in there. Intake for a car. I guess race car. I don't know. Dog dish. couple of these horse hames. Don't know why they're on the curb. Alright guys, I gotta clean this up and go get some more. Till next time.